The Earth is a big place, filled with over 7 billion people, and unfortunately, illness is something humans have to deal with. Modern medicine is certainly making an impact on how we treat patients, but imagine how AI could influence and improve today's healthcare systems. I'm David Shaw, and in this episode of AI News, we visit rural India to see how AI technology can save lives. Providing quality health services and screening to rural populations in a nation as large as India can be extremely challenging. Using AI technology to provide more extensive, effective radiological screening has the potential for saving lives and providing overall improvements to health across the country. Debdoot Sheet, assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering and principal investigator for the Kharagpur Learning, Imaging and Visualization Group, launched Project Myriad. It explores innovative AI-guided screening techniques. The scope of the challenge is to explore the ways in which deep neural networks, or DNNs, can enhance AI-enabled radiological screening techniques. The team evaluated existing collections of ImageNet scale and DNNs to be domain-adapted with radiological images for screening of X-rays. The focus areas included breast cancer and other types of disease screenings. For training the deep neural networks, the team took advantage of the latest generation of scalable series of processors from Intel. The networks were implemented on PyTorch with Intel Math Kernel Library, Intel Math Kernel Library for deep neural networks bindings, and Intel distribution for Python. Check out Debdoot's story in the links provided. This article will take you through the project's background and will give you data sets for use in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.